Yes, sir. That's a good fish, dude. That's a better one, at least. Dude, that bellow stick, dude. Yes, sir, dude. That bellow stick, bro, is a fish catching machine, dude. I mean, fish catching machine. Dude, another good one. Let's go. Yes, sir. On that bellows stick, man. That is a good one. That freaking bait catches them. That thing right there, man. The one thing I am noticing though, when you Texas rig this thing, when you catch a fish, it breaks every time. And so you need a new one. Honestly, I haven't gotten two fish out of one bait yet. So I'm not sure. And I even downsized. I was using a 6 cent stout hook last time. And I was like, man, I'm gonna try to use just a regular EWG Gamakatsu. So I changed it and it still did the same thing. So durability, not so great. Fishability and catching fish, great.